Hello, this is part 2 of a short video looking at how the replacement of electrical safety standard 6950-1 with 62368-1 has obsoleted the circuit classification SELV, separated extra low voltage. A couple of times now I have been asked the question, does a class 1 energy source equate to SELV? Well, yes it does, with the added safety benefit of a strict limit on the current that may flow through a person to ground. For panel builders and system configurators, it should be possible to connect a SELV circuit to an ES1 circuit. But just now I can't actually find an explicit statement confirming that. Can I safely touch a class 1 energy source? Yes, you can. And this is unambiguously indicated in section 4.3 of the new standard, where appropriate safeguards are defined. Safeguards are forms of protection that must be interposed between different classes of hazard and various classes of person. For example, no safeguard is required between a class 1 energy source and an ordinary person. It can be made accessible and ordinary people can touch it. But a basic safeguard is required between a class 2 energy source and an ordinary person. For basic safeguard, read basic insulation. I can't find another interpretation of the term. So for my string of LED lights, if 62368 were used as the standard for safety approval, and for some bizarre reason more than 60 volts or 2 milliamps could leak from the output circuit through me to ground, then the cable insulation would have to be a minimum thickness of 0.4 millimeters to qualify as basic insulation. Do XP power supplies have ES1 outputs? Yes, some do. Any power supply with a rating of 100 watts or less is likely to have an output classed as ES1. If you need confirmation of that, then please contact us and we will identify a suitable product for you. In conclusion, the removal of the convenient label SELV will demand a bit more work in batching up a power supply with a particular special application. Some extra resolution has been added to the classification of low power circuits, but most importantly, injury caused by current flowing through a person has been given more recognition in the new standard. My name is Alan Hill, and I hope that you find this video helpful.